Good morning, everyone. It's January 14th, 2020, here at the Crypto Insider Compound in Austin, Texas. Uh, nice, cool morning today. We're just starting the day, me and the Crypto Insider mascot, Ziggy, the Black Labrador, and we're going to get right into some price action after we talk about, of course, our likes and subscribes and our charity giveaways. Well, I wouldn't really call it a giveaway. We give to the Good XRP group. That's what you're seeing on the screen before you every time somebody subscribes to the YouTube channel. Um, so if you like the content, please feel free to interact with the like and subscribe buttons, delicately or otherwise. We don't care. We don't care if you punch it, you kick it, whatever appendage you want to use, we're good with. Um, we think it would be a very, very, very good idea to subscribe to the Crypto Insider channel. In any case, let's jump right into the prize from Live Coin Watch. And wow, I mean, I could talk about every single one of these ad nauseum for an hour. The um, everything is still pretty much following the the price action of Bitcoin primarily, on the weekly charts here. But for the 24-hour, man, some of this stuff is just killing it. Bitcoin Cash up 20%. I think Bitcoin SV is even more. It was something like 45%. Dash is at plus 30%. ZEC 21%. VeChain 5.52. Just about everything's up. Some of the alts on my alts are still up, but 0.47% for Tezos. It's kind of just hanging in there. But Tezos 5.09%. I know they've been waiting for some price action for a while too. First day I've seen Stellar above the 0.05% mark in quite a while. Yeah, here it is. Bitcoin SV up 45.14% since yesterday. Wow, that is just an astounding return. If you have some Bitcoin SV, you may want to consider selling a small portion of it and putting some of that into XRP. But, I'm just saying that's what I would consider. I am not a financial advisor, registered investment planner, none of that, tax accountant. I don't do it. I'm just talking about what I would do if I had a whole bunch of BSV sitting around gaining 45%. I would diversify a little bit or consider diversifying, which I think you should do with any investment class. Ethereum 7%, Bitcoin Big Daddy is up 6.84%. So everything is good there. We've got some articles on price. One comes from News BTC, Tony Spilotro, 19 hours ago. I'm not going to read this whole article because it's very long and boring, but XRP slash BTC sequence reaches 8, ready for liftoff with next weekly candle. The TD9 sequential indicator was designed by Thomas Denmark to follow a unique sequence before a signal is triggered. The sequence is a series of 9 candles with price action higher or lower than the initial 1 candlestick. So it looks like it's a series signal that he's looking for. Adding more credence to the theory that the third largest cryptocurrency is ready for a massive breakout against the US dollar. XRP BTC weekly price charts are currently on candle 8 of a 9 sequence. After the next weekly close, unless XRP already breaks out before then and goes on a powerful rally, XRP BTC will trigger a 9 buy signal on the weekly time frames. If it breaks out against USD first, while the signal won't trigger, there won't be a need as XRP will likely have already lifted off to the moon once again. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. In addition, we have some news here I saw just pop up a little while ago. This comes from AZ Coin News, and it just says by Navi. So I don't know if that's the entirety of your name, Navi, but thanks for finding it. What he says is Ripple and XRP were mentioned as a cross-border payment systems in the proposed bill text. A document on remittance transfers under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act is still in discussion until January 2021. So Yeah, it's nice to see Ripple and XRP getting mentions in some of the U.S. Bill proposals. I don't know that it necessarily lends credence to their mission and what they're doing, but it certainly recognizes it, and always good to be recognized as opposed to not be recognized. Patty Stash, I just this screen is a tweet from Patty Stash that says, "Holy smokes, BSV, whoa, it's on steroids." Yeah, and that's what we were saying. It's up 45%. Um, so yeah, even Patty jumping in there and pointing it out to us. What we have here from FX Street, cryptocurrency market update. Bitcoin and major altcoins start the trip to the moon. Bitcoin has hit a new high of 2020 among strong bullish momentum, and I don't know if this is some leftover from the Middle East tensions we had, and now we have the halvening coming upon us. Possibly uh, some good news, maybe good news coming for Ripple or XRP with the lawsuit dismissal. And I pretty much am ignoring the Christine Lagarde thing right now. Um, I'll look at that more later, but she could have a lot of reasons to suggest caution, like she has been doing. Not that she's suggesting caution. She's not letting all of the cats out of the bag quite yet with what some of the ECB plans are. But we will definitely keep an eye on old Christine Lagarde. Um, so this article from Tanya Abrosimova says Bitcoin's hidden. Okay, I've already said that, but again, it's just more bullish news on the Bitcoin market. We crossed that ever so important 8,500 level. I saw things looking good last night before I went to sleep, and thought, oh, when the Pacific, when the Asian markets open up, it could really take off. And wow, weirdly, it did. Ripple came close to the highest level of 0.2255 and retreated to 0.2200 by press time. The third largest digital asset has been growing steadily after the resistance of 0.21 gave way. XRP has gained 4.5% since the beginning of Monday, moving in sync with the market. The short-term trend is bullish, and then it shows a chart with the Bollinger Bands. Let's see what we got here. We got squeezing Bollinger Bands. So note how they're squeezing here, squeezing out the volatility, and at the end of a Bollinger Band squeeze is almost always some trend reversal. In this case, it happened to be up, which is what we were expecting and what we wanted to see. Now I realize we're not at a lot of people listening, we're not at your buy-in level yet, but it's the beginning of the bull run. Hopefully, is what we're gonna say. I know here at the Crypto Insider channel, our favorite target is 0.27 cents. If we can retrace to that, then I will comfortably say that we're in a trend reversal. We're solidly into a trend reversal at that point. 0.225 is what the other analysts say. I shouldn't say other analysts. It makes it sound like I'm a chart analyst. I am not a chart analyst. I look at them for fun. I know a few patterns and a few signals, but I'm no chart analyst. That's for sure. But I do cover anybody's price prediction just about, whether it's 6 cents or it's $431. We'll give it a look. We're invested in XRP. We wanna see all the various possibilities. Uh, but a lot of the chart analysts out there were saying that 0.225 cents was the target to beat, which I think that article said we did, and then retraced a little bit. I'm not that optimistic. I want to see more. I want to see better than 0.225. We'll see over today and over tomorrow. I expect there will be some heavy trading volumes today. Um, It was nice to see this little bump without having to drop any bombs, that's for sure. We're going to pop up some videos and a subscribe button for you there at the end of the video. If you like our channel, if you like listening to the Crypto Insider, well, you can get notified every morning when I put these out. We can have our coffee together, just like we were friends. Um, we are friends, damn it. Well, most of us. Some of us get on my nerves from time to time, but but go ahead and like and subscribe and do all that stuff if you can for us. It really helps us out and it helps us get our videos into the search results. We appreciate you stopping by and we will see you tomorrow.